How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset your AOVO Pro scooter. Now, there's a lot of models out there, so I'm going to mention multiple ways in order for us to do this. So depending on your model, you could just go ahead and do this until the steps work. So the first thing that you want to do is to reset it through the application. Basically, if yours is something like the R or the 365GO model, which supports the application. So you could just go ahead and turn on the scooter, open up the companion application, which is going to be once again the AOVO Pro or the 365GO application on Play Store or App Store. So you just want to connect the application through the device, navigate through settings within the application, and then select the factory reset or default settings. The other thing that we could do is to reset it physically. So for some AOVO Pro models out there, it includes a dedicated hardware reset button for some troubleshooting. So ensure that the scooter is powered off and unplugged from the charger. From there, we want to locate the reset button. It is usually near the charging port, under a rubber cap, or underneath the deck. So you want to go ahead and use a pen, maybe a toothpick, to go ahead and press the reset button, and then you want to hold it for around 10 to 15 seconds, and then the power of the scooter will go ahead and reset, and then this will indicate that the scooter has been resetted successfully. Well, the last thing that you want to do for some models out there is to do the soft reset. So with this one, you want to turn off the scooter, press and hold the brake levers and the throttle all the way. And while you're doing it, you want to press the power button to turn on the scooter. You want to continue holding down the brake, the throttle for around 5 to 10 seconds until an error code appears, such as the E5 error. Right after, turn the scooter off, wait for around 10 seconds, and then turn it on normally. And so guys, after doing these methods, you will be able to simply reset your scooter. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.